So how do you make a private picture folder on an iPhone? Let me show you two methods how you can do this. Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. The first method is utilizing the built-in Photos app. You get inside, and once you have some of your photos in the full screen, you can click on the three dots in the top right corner for more menus or options to appear. And one of the buttons is the hide button. So when you hide the photo, it will disappear from your regular gallery view. It will not appear in other places as well, like in your widget or on the Apple Watch. And it will be part of the private hidden photo folders. So you can go to the collection, then part of the utilities, we have the hidden, and I actually have to scan my face and authenticate myself to view the hidden photos. So it gets the job done. I can see, the stuff is hidden there and it's, working well. One thing though, if you go to you have to go to the settings and tap on apps and then go to the photos, and it would be ideal to make sure you have the use Face ID toggle enabled, because if you don't have that, you'll be able to get to the hidden photos without any authentication, right? So make sure you have the Face ID enabled, so it will be like locked, right? So yeah, that was the first method of doing that. The second one involves actually the Notes app. So you can open up your Notes app, start a new note, and you have the paperclip icon there. So you can take a photo or choose one from the gallery. Like you can import some pictures like that. They will be part of your note. You can even hold down on them and change the view from large to small if you prefer it that way. But the point is that you now have a note which contains some pictures, right? Those pictures can be viewed full screen or whatever. But then you can click on the three dots in the top right and actually lock the note. Right? So this particular note is going to be passcode protected, and you even have more options. Like you can pick either the iPhone's unlocking passcode or come up with a separate password just for this note, right? So that way you can actually hide your photos, put them in this like private folder in the Notes app, which, it's like random, so nobody would expect that, right? But that's kind of how it works. You can hide your photos in the Notes app as well. So that's the second approach. Let me know if you found this video helpful. In case of any questions, use the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.